life at camp was really very exciting for me from beginning to end. One year we had, I loved color war, and one year we had been very much involved in the color war towards the end of the year, summer. Must have been already end of July. And we realized, a bunch of us were talking, we realized that here we had spent the summer with everybody being very friendly and all, but then all of a sudden, when color war came about, there was the blue team and there was the white team. The camp had been divided into two camps, into two teams, and this was across the whole camp. So any bungalow would have at least, or as close as possible, half would be on the blue team and half would be on the white team. All of a sudden, the kids who were on the other team became our enemies. And we didn't like that. And it was really brutal because it got to the point where my best friend was on the other team. And we didn't talk to each other for the couple of days. I mean, as we were, you're on the other team. It's not that I was angry with him or he with me, but you're not on my team. And so just before Capture the Flag, the final event of the color war, a bunch of us were standing around talking. By now we were we were first graders, first group members, that's the oldest group, 13 to 16. The discussion evolved to the point of, let's call off this whole thing because there's nothing productive in it. Instead, let's think of some communal, constructive, cooperative projects that we could do. Now this, as far as I know, came out of the kids themselves. In other words, it just evolved. It's altogether possible that some counselor planted this seed. I doubt it, because I remember being in the group that was discussing this, and the thing just snowballed within certainly a half hour. So that I can't, and there were no counselors around, it was just the kids. The counselors didn't even give us a counter rebuttal. They just said, fine, I think that's a great idea. You've learned an important lesson. So there was a significant impact, and I'm glad to say we dealt with it correctly.